Hi everyone, welcome to our Newton High School's Physical Science Class 9th. Today I am going to explain Chapter 1. I myself, Jaganmohan Reddy Savada, Faculty of Physical Science and Mathematics from a reputed great institution, Newton High Schools. So, due to the COVID-19 pandemic situation, we are supporting e-learning through YouTube. So, really, thanks for the opportunity. Newton High Schools. I really thankful to the Newton Schools management, and thanks the parents, those who are supporting the students to go through e-learning. So, okay, chapter 1. Let me start. One word I take from daily life, so like matter. What? Matter. So generally, when you look dull, when you look pale, when you are worrying about something, you are opposite person, a relative or friend, whoever maybe, they may ask, what happened, bro? What happened, dude? What happened? Why are you looking dull? What's matter? So they use the word, what's matter? Matter in the sense it's an incident or an issue or something else. Okay? According to Telugu, Hindi, English languages, what we use in our daily life, matter. It's nothing but it's related to a particular topic. So, but the same word when we use in the concept of science, it has a special meaning. The words what we use in our daily life, definitely they have different and very special meaning in science. Let us see matter. So, according to science, what is matter in the sense? What is matter? According to science, what is matter? So, anything is said to be matter. Anything is said to be a matter when it has mass and occupies some space. This is the definition of matter according to science. Anything is said to be a matter when it has mass and occupies some space. Okay, coming to the point in this definition, what is mass? What is mass? Mass in the sense made up of some particles. Anything which is made up of particles definitely has some mass. See, for example, see this duster or water bottle. No need to go that much longer. Even our body is made up of particles. The particles in that sense, definitely according to this idea of science, particles means definitely atoms, molecules, all these things you can go through the next upcoming lessons. So I am not extending this. So see here, matter. What is matter? Anything is said to be a matter when it has mass and occupies some space. Next, anything which is made up of some particles has some mass. Any definition, scientific definition or any particular science, social studies, mathematics, whatever it may be, when you are learning the definition, if it has some kind of keywords or hard words, definitely you must know the meaning of the hard words or keywords properly, clearly. Then only you can understand the definition of the particular thing clearly, and it can be fixed in your mind. Okay, again I am repeating matter. Anything is said to be a matter then it has mass and occupies some space. Next, what is mass? In this definition you may have a doubt because you might have not gotten this word in your previous class. So, okay, anything which is made up of some particles, so that has mass. So, yeah, this class is nothing but period 1. What? Period 1. So, then definitely you can understand that what is the name of our chapter? Matter around us. Matter around us. Matter around us is our chapter. Okay, funny thing I'll tell you guys. Okay, according to the definition, our body is said to be matter, right? Okay, if a social teacher asks you, so our body is said to be matter according to the definition. Are you accepting that? I know you are accepting. See here, social teacher. When a social teacher asks you to which state your body belongs to which state your body belongs to. If a social teacher puts this question to you, definitely the social teacher puts a question to me, the same question, as I am dwelling in Hyderabad, so I say generally my body as a matter made up of particles definitely belong to state of Telangana. What state of Telangana? See here question. Same question if your chemistry teacher asks you to which state your body belongs to. If chemistry teacher asks you according to chemistry, we see that solids, liquids and gases. Matter is classified into solids, liquids and gases. Matter made up of particles. So solids in your previous class, I mean 8th standard, 7th standard, you study this. It's nothing new. Gases. So according to chemistry, your body is said to be state of solid. State of solid. Very good. Next, if a physics teacher or sir, if a physics teacher or sir asks you to which state your body belongs to. So according to physics, how many states can exist to a body? Yes, 8th standard you studied. State of rest and state of uniform motion. State of rest or state of uniform motion. As we are not moving, for example, according to my body we are speaking. As I am not moving from this certain position, so my body is said to be at the state of rest. The state of rest. The state of rest. See, same question. The teacher is asking the question as a social teacher, as a chemistry teacher, as a physics teacher. Definitely, you can get different types of answers for these situations. So now we are entering into the topic. So matter is classified into generally 3 types: solids, liquids and gases. Solids, liquids and gases. Okay, again these 2 are classified, these 3 solids, liquids and gases are again classified into pure substances, impure substances. Pure substances, impure substances. Pure substances, impure substances. Pure substances, impure substances. Next, we go to the concept. Solids. For solids, some examples like book, pen, we call as human body also. Next, etc. Next, liquids. Liquids, water first you say generally, water. Next, blood, etc. Next, gases, oxygen, carbon dioxide, oxygen, carbon dioxide, etc. So these are the examples for solids, liquids and gases. You might have studied already. Now in this chapter we are going to learn about properties of matter. Properties of matter. Properties of matter means various types of matter, various states of matter. Properties of solids, properties of liquids, properties of gases, and how do they differ? Comparison. We are going to learn most importantly in this chapter. Okay. Properties. What are the properties? First, shape. Next, volume. Next, diffusion. Next, compressibility. These are the most important properties of matter. Those are solid, liquids and gases. Shape, volume, diffusion, compressibility. Shape, volume, diffusion, compressibility. First you need to know about how the shapes are different from solids, liquids to gases. Then volume, what is meant by volume, complete clarity. Next, diffusion, what is diffusion? Spreading out of molecules. Spreading out of molecules. I will give complete demonstration about all these things in our upcoming classes. Then compressibility, what is compressibility? The ability to reduce the existing shape of a matter, I mean state of a matter, solid or liquid or gas. There is compressibility. When we go into the particular activity, you can get the thing clearly. Okay, now thanks for listening. So again, the last 5 minutes you can recap what we have studied. Now, welcome to Newton High School's Physical Science class 9. This is chapter 1 we are going to discuss. We discussed in this video and we are going to recap this. Now this is period 1. Period 1. First we studied about matter. What is matter? Matter is made up of particles. Matter is made up of particles which are very tiny, which are unable to see with our naked eye. Next, anything is said to be matter when it has some mass. It is made up of particles and occupies some space. Next, what is the definition of matter? So there are existing different types of matter. I mean states of matter: solids, liquids, and gases. So for solids you can get so many your own examples, and liquids also you can get so many examples, and even gases also. What we inhale oxygen and what we exhale carbon dioxide, and so many nitrogen gas, hydrogen gas, sulfur dioxide. So many are there. Next, coming to properties. How the solids, liquids and gas are different based on some properties. See here, shape, volume, diffusion, compressibility. Shape, volume, diffusion, compressibility. Okay. So this is the class what we have studied. In period 2, definitely we will go to the next content. Thank you. Have a nice time.